I should have to leave this world today, and you were to ask me for a single word, one last word that sums up our ideal, I would say, certain of being perfectly understood. Be a family. Are there among you those who are suffering spiritual or moral trials? Understand them as a mother, and more than a mother would. Enlighten them with your words or example. Do not leave them alone. Indeed, surround them with the warmth of a family. Are there among you those who are suffering physically? They should be your preference. Suffer with them. Seek to understand their sufferings in depth. Share with them the fruits of your apostolic endeavors, so that they may realize that they, more than others, contributed to its success. Are there those who are dying? Imagine yourself in their place, and do all that you would want others to do to you, to the very last instant. Is someone happy because of a particular achievement, or for any other reason? Share their happiness, so that their consolation may not be saddened, nor their heart closed, but that the joy may be of all. Is someone leaving? Let them go, but first fill their heart with this one heritage, a sense of the family, so that they may bring it to their future destination. Never put any kind of activity, neither spiritual nor apostolic, before the spirit of being a family with the brothers or sisters with whom you live. And wherever you go, to bring the ideal of Christ, to extend the immense family of the work of Mary. You can do nothing better than to seek to create with discretion, with prudence, but with determination, the spirit of a family. It is a humble spirit. It wants the good of the others. It is not proud. It is true, complete charity. In short, if I should have to leave you, I would have Jesus in me repeat to you: love one another, so that all may be one.